Okay, we got a 2007 Aygo, I believe it is, for our water leak check. So we're just going to quickly show you what we've found so far. It is an Aygo. Right, okay, so first things first is obviously the water test. So we're going to put our machine down here and it will tell us if there's any condensation under the carpet. It seems to be okay on the driver's side. Into the back footwell. So it all seems to be dry on the driver's side. Passenger side. So it's telling me that there's water down in the passenger front and also in the passenger rear. So this is showing that this is all wet under here. So the passenger side's all wet. So we're just going to obviously show you what we've found so far. We was also getting water in the boot area, which was coming down in this corner here. So we're going to show you what we found so far. So concentrating on the door card first of all. So we put a legal bulb behind it, just simulating it's out in the rain. So if we pour it down, so it should come out the bottom of the door, but what it actually does is it comes out the bottom of the door, but we can see that it's coming out of the door membrane very heavily here. So that would then obviously fall on top of this rubber. Once it works, it builds up, it's obviously water on here, it will then fall into the car. That's doing that on both front door membranes, but they are very common. So we're just going to go round to the back. Round to the back, we have the tailgate rubber, which we know are quite common. And what it does is the water gets in here, where all this dirt is, then it works its way round, uses it as a slide, and there we go. It brings out the water just here. So if I just lift that rubber up a second, so it's not actually sealed to the car. And we can see inside there that we've got signs of water. So that's it, obviously exiting out from the rubber. So that would be that one there.